Good evening to all of you present over here. So this is the task which is provided by the Kuwaitu Hub Technology. So here is my 6 tasks. So which is based on there is a having the summon which is provided by the visualization by using the Python like Matplot libraries. So why the Matplot library which is used for like visualization of the different plots, charts, all type of means it depends on whatever you want to like for visualizations by using the different data sets over there. So this is the first question is that there is a days and speed over there, so we have to just plot it with respect to we have to from days, like we have just in x-axis and in y-axis we're having the car speed, so we have to just use the x label and y label for that, and after that title which is provided to us like car speed measurement, and after that grid, so plot dot grid which is used for this grid. If we have to remove grid, so there is only whites which is background over there, so where plot show which is represent, so here it is represent. And after that the second question is now about this whatever the function it is format is, we have to just put it the style like in dot format and like mark. So mark we have any kind of like, but it is given in this question like plus mark or change mark size and mark face colors over there. So for that given above whatever the dates and speed which is provided to us, so plot dot plt dot plot, so days and from x and y, like we have to just for represent color equals to green we have to just put it, then mark whatever which is mentioned that plus, and after that ms equals to means mark size which is we have just given at 8, and having the mec equals to red, mark color should be red color, and then there is a having mark face equals to red, and after then line speed should be, these line spaces should be dotted, and line width it should be like it as per depends on you that whatever the line width which is required. So that the third question is like having the chart titles, then legends grid based on the minimum maximum average in the 8th day. So in that given the data is like date, maximum speed, minimum and average, so there is a having we are using that figures, so figure size we have just using as per you depends, so whatever the figure size which you have just mentioned, so in this I just represent the figure size is like 8,6, and after that having the plot dot subplots we're having 2,1,1, so for this representation after that we have just put it the different size, color, mark face, then mark size, then marker size, mark space, mark face, all these things after with having the label. So yeah, for after that we have just using the x label and y label. So after that x label, y label, we have just having put a title. After that legend which is used for this representation, so that's why if we remove the legend, so there is a maximum speed which is not came over there, then grid because the grid, and show which is represent, then same we have just put it with the different colors, we have just represent that plot subplot of 2.1.2, so before that is 2.1.1 and 2.1.2 which is represent same size legend x y and all this sets were show. So there is a fourth question is the plotting based on the having the sine graph which is represent, so we have just 0.04 into this, and which is sine and cosine we have just represent with the different color formatting based on like plt dot plot with x and y with respect to colors and the marker size, like plus 0 means kind of 4 which is represent for that, and we have also used the legend, so here which is represent for the legend in the downside. After that they having the fifth questions, they're having there is a graph shot which is represent for the different programming languages, programming language popularity and security. Based on that we have first of all used the bar chart, so bar chart with representation the language popularity with respect to width we have just position, color and align, means it depends on you whatever we have to just align like center, right, left, like that. So in that where x is having language, y is having popularity, where in this they having legend which is used as like popularity, and after that based on this only we have just represent language with respect to security. So this like security which is comes to like legend over there like popularity in this, like first of all we have using in that like 2.1 comma 1 and 2 1 and 2. So that is like subplot which is representation. After that, like same which is having it's horizontally, so it should be vertically graph. The difference is only like with respect to his bar h, so which having the representation which is provided. The sixth question is the plotting the graph based on the having the student marks and the popularity based on this average and all these things. So below average, average or excellent performance based on. So here which is having the his graph we have just represent. So this is given over there. After that, the last question is having Titanic data set. Based on that, we have just plotted the pie chart representation based on this. So from the Titanic data set, we have first of all having this which is from drive, and after that we have just set it the path, and after that we have path dot whatever the data set are name over there. After that we have just represent the df dot head. So from head, after that we have just sex is a like feature column name over there. After that we have just sex value, we have to just count it. So number of sex means in that there is a male and female which is represent, so count which is provided to us. And after that we have using that this plot dot pi we have just represent with respect to x, because the whole values of the sex which is comes to the x. And after that auto pct which is having formatted. After that legion pair having male and female which is like here representation, so title which is provided to us, then having the show which is represent. After that we have just having like df equals to, if sex equals to male and we have just counted, and sex equals to female we have to just counted with this. After that this it's the grid plot which is represent with the number of males and females, we're having like a representation as from by using the visualization of the data set. So yeah, thank you so much for this.